What's up guys, this is Rani. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 36 and today's topic will be how to build one RAG from the scratch using MongoDB and LlamaIndex. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be going to load one PDF file from internet using IBM Doc Link, and after that I'll be going to use OpenAI embedding and OpenAI model to build the RAG, and my LLM framework will be LlamaIndex. Okay, so it is going to be very straightforward tutorial, but just because we have multiple components here like LlamaIndex, like MongoDB, like OpenAI, and also IBM Doc Link, so that makes this tutorial very complex, and you can call it compound tutorial with multiple component. And whenever we are going to start working for a client or any enterprise graded project, this sort of requirements are very much common. Okay, so if you remember, a couple of months ago I told that initially my tutorials are going to be more or less basic component focus, and once we finished everything we'll start creating some intermediate and advanced project, right? So this is one of the very advanced project where I'll be going to use MongoDB Atlas, and the feature I'll be going to use, that is called MongoDB Atlas vector search. And after that we'll be going to ingest the document inside the vector store, and we'll be going to use create a RAG using LlamaIndex and OpenAI model. Okay, so these are the prerequisite and the source code will be available here. Okay, so I'll just minimize this thing and let me open my browser. So I'll be going to load this page. Okay, so this is something like cyber security, impact of LLM on cyber security. Basically it's a research paper for this IntelliBot. Okay, I'll be just going to use that. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me start working on the code. Okay, so first thing first, what I'll do, I'll be just going to uh, open this URL. Maybe you can use cloud.mongodb.com, and after that you can create an user ID and password, and after that you can just go to, let me refresh the page. You can go to in the cluster section like this. Okay, first you have to create an index. Okay, so then you have to go to browse collection. Okay, 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 so I have a collection called LlamaIndex, and what I'll do, I'll be just going to delete this collection. Test. Okay, test. Okay, let me drop this collection. Just wait. Okay, so my collection is dropped. Now I'll be going to create a another collection. Okay, with the same name. Let me wait for some time. Okay, so now what we'll do, I'll just go here and I'll just going to create a collection, and I'll make it name, let's say test. Okay, and create. I'm just going to create the collection. Okay, so collection is created. So once the collection is created, you have to do the main thing. So just follow the steps whenever you are going to start working on this part. And one more thing before I just go ahead with the tutorial, it just came to my mind. So guys, I have seen the statistics from my YouTube studio that you guys are watching my videos, and that is good, but you guys are not subscribing to my channel. So it's a humble request, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friends, because if you see, I am uploading videos on the regular basis, and all my videos are use case driven. Like in every video I'm just try to solve and some problem, like which could be your final year project or which could be your company or client's work, right? So to develop this sort of tutorial I need to invest a lot of time from my side, right? So I need some support from all of you guys. So I just need your active engagement throughout this channel. So please try to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, my subscriber count will not grow, and the YouTube algorithm will not going to publish or push my video to the large number of audience. So I need your subscription so that YouTube also going to push my videos, right? And next thing, try to put some comment, good or bad, doesn't matter. It has to be honest. If you feel this video is good or beneficial for you, try to let us know, and if you think something could be done in a better way, that also please let us know. Okay, and last but not least, try to hit the bell notification icon so that you will get all the future updates from this channel on timely manner. Okay, so let's come back to the tutorial. Once this is done, you have to go in Atlas search. Okay, but before that, remember, you have to sign up here in this from this link. Okay, then you have to click on create search index, and then you have to click on JSON editor next. Okay, and here you have to write this thing, so it will be embedding, embedding, it should be 1536, and the similarity function will be cosine. Okay, done. And here it will be llama index and test, and next. Okay, vector embedding this, and then you have to just search index. So let's wait. So the status will be visible here, it is pending. So we are just creating the index without any data will be injected from our tutorial, which is which I'll be going to do it from the VS Code. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so this is ready. Now what will do, I'll just going to click on cluster again. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now let's go to browse collection. Okay, okay, then this llama index and then test. So if you see here, right now we don't have any documents here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just going to minimize this thing and open my VS Code. Okay, so let's start working on the coding part. Okay, so let's start working on the coding part. Okay, so first thing, import pymongo. Okay, import os. Okay, uh, right, then from dot env import load, I think it will be load dot env. Okay, let me execute this thing. Okay, so installing some Jupyter kernel again. So let's let it install. Okay, installation is done. So this is done. Now what will happen, we'll be going to actually load.env. Okay, and now I have my MongoDB user ID and password set here. How to get the password, I'll show you here. So you have to get to this database access here, and you have to create your username here, and once you set the username, it will show you the password. I cannot show the password in the, due to security reason, I have set it in the in this thing here. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll be just going to create user equals to os dot get env. Okay, so user. Okay, and then password equals to os dot get env, and it should be pwd. Right, all done. Right, this is done. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to actually what I'll do, let me cut this thing here, because this is, I want to use it for specifically for imports. Right, so now once these things are done, now what we'll do, I'll be just going to set up my Mongo URI, right? So Mongo URI means my MongoDB instance URL. Okay, so basically after that you have to go to this database, this cluster. Okay, okay, then just wait, I'll tell you everything. Then you have to click on connect. Okay, then you have to click on driver and you have to just copy this entire thing. Okay, and again maximize this thing and this and this. So now this will be replaced. Okay, so this plus this this this. Oh, I don't know, sorry, what is this, I don't know. Okay, so this, then I have to put up plus, then this and this, this, then db password like this, and I think okay, so this, and I think plus, I think this is fine. Okay, so now this username will be replaced by the variable called user. Okay, at the top I user, and it will be replaced by pwd, right? Let me do this thing, no errors, everything is fine. Now let's set up the next part, that is we have to set up a client actually. So mongo underscore client. Okay, so it should be mongo client will be pymongo dot mongo client, and inside that I have to put the URL. Okay, so mongo URI, let's execute. No error means this is working fine, right? Okay, if you pass the wrong user ID and password, then probably it is going to actually give the error, right? So my MongoDB things are ready here, right? So now this is the MongoDB part. Now I have to actually read the um, uh, file first. So my Mongo client is ready, only the client is ready. Now I have to read the file, right? So for that I need couple of things. So first of all, from llama, what is this, llama underscore index dot, why this llama index things are not coming, I don't know. Llama index dot core import uh, simple directory reader and vector store index. Okay, and storage context, I think storage. Okay, storage context, everything is ready. Now probably I think we need to, I'll be going to read it from Doc Link, so I'll be just going to uh, import the Doc Link. But before that, from llama underscore index dot llms, mm, Why these embeddings are not coming, I don't know. Embeddings dot OpenAI import OpenAI embedding. Okay, fine. Okay, so next thing we have to import the doc link. Okay, from, let me do it from llama underscore index. Okay, dot readers dot doc link. Doc link, no, I think it will be capital D. Yeah, doc link reader. So let's do one thing. Let's try to start read the document. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to create a reader object here. So it should be let me execute first. Okay, now doc link reader. Okay, right. So just hold on. Doc link reader, and then here docs equals to reader dot uh, load underscore data. Okay, now what we'll do, I'll be just going to copy this link. Okay, and we just going to print docs. Okay, okay, let me check whether this is working or not. Yeah, it's working, right? So this is going to take some time, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, so let's wait. Okay, this is fine. So a document is ready, everything is ready, right? So now what we'll do, I'll come here, I'll be just going to write embed underscore model equals to OpenAI embedding. Right, this is ready. OpenAI embedding is ready. Our Mongo client is ready. Now we'll be going to initialize our vector store. Okay, so let's say for vector store we'll be going to import couple of things. Okay, so let's go here again in this part, and I'll be going to import from, let me write from LlamaIndex. Okay, dot vector okay, import it should be LlamaIndex, it should be MongoDB Atlas vector search if I'm not wrong. MongoDB Atlas vector search. Okay, let me check whether, okay, so hmm so this is saying this is not installed. Okay, just hold on. What I'll do, llama index vector stores, think, do I need to install it again? Just hold on. Hmm, think maybe something missing, don't know. Okay, so let's try to install that. Okay, here, so 3.11 install uh, llama index vector. Okay. Hmm. llama index dot vector stores, llama index dot vector. Okay, I think the spelling I actually did not put it correctly. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so vector llama llama index vector store MongoDB Atlas vector. I think vector search, this F will be in capital. So let's try to execute. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so now I just completely this part. So now what we'll do, we'll be going to set up the remaining part. Okay, okay, so now let's create a store. Okay, so let me write here store. Okay, store equals to what? Store equals to MongoDB Atlas vector search. Inside that I have to put the MongoDB client or MongoDB client. Okay, right? Then DB name. So my DB name is LlamaIndex. If you remember, I can show it from here. If you remember, my DB name is actually LlamaIndex from here. So, and my collection name is test. Okay, so let's minimize. Go here. DB name llama index. Okay, collection name equals to test. Okay, and vector index name, maybe I can give today's date as a vector index name. So today is actually 3rd, so it will be 03/12/2024. Okay, and so this is my store. So now if I can show you here, so this is the database name and this is the collection name. Okay, because right now it has 0 document. Okay, so this is done. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to create a I'm just creating a instance of a index, right? So nothing will be inside that. Then we'll be going to create a context. Okay, so let's create a storage context. Okay, storage underscore context, storage context will be what? So okay, storage context will be uh, uh, storage context dot from, right? Storage context from default. So inside that, what will be going to be put, will be going to put, let's say, vector store will be store, my store. Okay, done. So storage context is also ready. Now what we'll be going to do, let's, okay, MongoDB client is not defined, so it is not MongoDB client, it will be Mongo client. Okay, Now it is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to create an index, right? Index. Now basically the ingestion will happen now. Index will be vector store index dot from documents, right? From documents, right? So from documents, so inside that I'll be just going to write docs, right? Docs is already I read it from this big thing. Okay, this big thing is my docs. If you remember here, this big thing is doc, right? Then storage context equals to storage context. Okay, and I think I need to put some embedding as well, right? So embed embed model equals to embed model, right? So if I do, the ingestion will be completed. So let's wait. This is going to take some time. Once this is finished, I'll be able to see the document here. Okay, so okay, 3.4 seconds it took. Now what we'll do, let's refresh the page. Okay, so let's see whether I'm able to see some documents inside there or not. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so if you see here, it is showing loading documents, but earlier it was not showing. So this is one of the most critical part, how to load or how to ingest vector embeddings inside MongoDB. Okay, so let's wait, let it finish. Yeah, this is of course this is going to take some time. So yeah, this is showing 16 record. Okay, so entire thing is actually, if you see, this is the thing. Okay, like this m method, this is the embedding. Okay, okay, fine, done. So main part is over. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to create our like query engine, right? So our rag and rag db is ready, right? So now what is, okay, so now we'll be going to actually create a retriever, and from the retriever we'll be going to um, um, get the things. Okay, I mean our question and our answer. So basically, if you see, so I'm just creating a vector store retriever, which is a vector index retriever. The index is this index, and the similarity is actually top 5k, which is this vector index retriever. Okay, and this retriever query is going to be used by the query. Okay, here I'm actually creating this query engine. Okay, so pass the retriever into query engine. So first step, I'm creating a retriever, and then this retriever will be passed inside a query engine. Okay, so retriever query engine, again it's here. Okay, and basically it is going to access this vector store retriever, and there I'm just creating this, and these things are actually normal thing, query engine dot query, query engine dot query, and what is the impact of LLM on cyber security, and it is now going to give the answer. Okay, so let's execute this thing and let's see. Okay, so if you see, it is going to give me the answer. LLM have significant impact, and these are the document, right? As I said, top 5 document, it is going to give me all these documents. Okay, so now we'll be going to ask the next thing, um, what is LangChain. So LangChain is also mentioned some part in the document, so let's ask. Okay, okay, so now we'll be going to ask what is, you can ask anything, I'm just asking very simple question. Okay, so because our ultimate objective is actually not the question and answer, our ultimate objective is actually develop the rack, ask the question, get the response. If you say Intel bot, okay, right? So that's it. I think this is a lengthy tutorial, almost half an hour. Okay, but this is one of the most like let me remove this two things here. This is one of the most like complex tutorial on the LlamaIndex playlist, I believe. this is the right time where I can say, or when I can say that we are just starting our advanced topics on LlamaIndex. So this is tutorial number 36. So remaining tutorials will be intermediate and advanced. So try to watch out all the videos from the playlist, because if you miss any of this previous playlist, probably will find some difficulties, right? So I think this is the conclusion of the tutorial. But before I conclude, I would like to say a couple of things. So if you are watching this video for the first time, or watching our videos from this channel for the first time, thank you very much for being our audience, being our member. So one request, if you go to our channel playlist section, you will find there are couple of not couple there are total 5 playlists dedicated for generative AI. One is with LangChain, one is with LlamaIndex, one with hybrid AGI, one with some miscellaneous AI topics, and one is computer vision with OpenCV. Okay, so please try to check out those tutorial videos as well. Try to subscribe to our channel, share our videos with your family and friend, and try to put some comment, because see guys, if you don't engage with our channel, YouTube algorithm is actually not going to push our videos to the large number of audience. And my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience so that my channel can grow, because growth gives me motivation. So guys, please help me grow, and I'm promising that I always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of talking, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.